Good morning, students. How are you, dear students? I hope you all are fine. Do you remember what we have studied in previous class? Dear students, we have learned how taking or giving anything with left hand brings bad luck. We also saw that how we consider black cat as a bad luck, but in the United Kingdom they consider it as a good luck. Okay, students, do you remember when the people see a blue light outside? What they think? Try to answer. Think yourself. Okay, students, we will continue the topic unlucky face. Be reading. Okay, students, if you have your own book, please open your book and refer to the page number 110. Make a silent reading fastly. Okay, students. After that, I will read the paragraph and you will listen carefully. Okay, very good. Listen me carefully, students. Now I am going to read the paragraph. In many parts of the world, Friday is an unlucky day. But in India, most of the people believe that Friday is auspicious. People in Telugu states, we do not like to start any new work on a new moon day. But Tamilians believe that it is good to start their special events on a new moon day. For Chinese, number 9 is lucky, while the Japanese consider is very unlucky. Aren't they really funny? Now you can say what is lucky and what is unlucky. You are able to think about that. Students, we will consider Friday is auspicious day for our, especially for Muslim community. Okay, but in some areas Friday, they believe Friday is unlucky. Okay, students, people in Telugu means who belongs to Telugu states where Telugu language is spoken. Okay, they believes uh, any new work on a moon starts any new work on a new moon day is bad luck. But Tamilians, they belongs to where Tamil language is spoken. Tamilians. Okay, students, they believe starts their special events on a new moon day is good. For Chinese, number 9 is lucky, while the Japanese consider it is very unlucky. Number 9 is very unlucky. Okay, students, just like 420 we consider as a bad number, and 786 we consider as good number. Okay, students, now students, please make a note down of difficult words. Funny, mazakia, Telugu, people who belongs to where Telugu language is spoken. Monday is the name of day that come after Sunday. Do you know the all 7 days? Do you know the name of all 7 days? Try to return the name of all 7 days, student. In today's lesson, we look how Telugus think anything is bad luck, and Tamilians thinks same thing is good luck. Starts new work on a new moon day. Okay, students. Now I will ask you some questions. Will you please answer me? Okay, try to answer me, please. Where people starts any special works on moon day, think good luck. Very good, Tamilians people. Is there 9 is lucky number for Chinese? No, 9 is unlucky for Chinese, but lucky for Japanese. Okay, students, you have written down all the superstitions we have learned about throughout the lesson. Okay, students, try to written down. Let's end for the today's class. We will see in next class. Okay, thank you so much. Bye.